material storage area. So basically the chassis and the bodies come in this door over here. They do a quick incoming inspection and they're staged in this area. Any non-conforming material gets put over at the other end of the factory in our non-conforming area. Okay. These ones are all basically ready to go, so they come from here onto a cart over onto the line right here where they go through our first installation process. The rear subframe subassembly. This is done in two separate operations where we do the subframe as well as the motor controller assembly in here, and then it's slid into the second part of the subassembly, which is essentially the motor, swing arm, and whole rear wheel hub assembly.
Okay, so this is all, once it goes into the chassis, this is all ready as one unit?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So we've got a special loading fixture that holds this and lifts it and slides it into the chassis.
Fantastic, and I can see that you've got the high tension cables ready to hook up to the back of the battery, ready to go. So
yeah, this is all pre-assembled, so once it goes into the car, it's actually quite quick.
That's great. Very good.
In this station, we've put the body onto the chassis. So we apply all of the adhesive to the chassis, pre-clean all of the surfaces, and then we lift the body over into the station here and drop it onto the chassis.
Is that done manually or is that done with
It's a semi-automated process.
But it's nice to see that once the body goes on, you know, you already have part of the interior in, front and rear suspension, all your electrical, most of your plumbing in, so you're pretty close now.
Yeah, it's a little bit easier for us actually than a typical automotive chassis being a unibody construction where you can't always get all of that in beforehand. For us, because we can drop the body over top of the chassis this way, it is easier for us to get a lot of that pre-assembled.